If you answer IELTS speaking like this, you will never get Band 7. And most students do not even realize they are making this mistake. The truth is, IELTS speaking is not about perfect grammar. It is about how clearly, confidently, and naturally you communicate. In the next few minutes, I will show you the exact techniques examiners reward, including a simple answer expansion method that instantly lifts students from Band 6 to Band 7. Remember, IELTS speaking is not about perfect grammar. Examiners are listening for fluency, clarity, vocabulary, and natural communication. Today, I will show you the exact strategy that helps students move from Band 6 to Band 7 and above. By the end of this video, you will know how to extend answers naturally, how to avoid the biggest Band 6 mistake, and how to sound confident even when you make small grammar errors. In Part 1, many students give very short answers. For example, the examiner asks, "Do you like reading?" The candidate answers, "Yes, I like reading." This answer is too short and limits your band score usually to Band 5. Use this two-step expansion technique. Step 1, direct answer. Yes, I enjoy reading. Step 2, add a reason or example, especially self-development books because they help me learn new ideas. A Band 7 answer would sound like, yes, I really enjoy reading, especially self-development books because they help me learn new ideas and improve my thinking skills. Always aim for 2 or 3 natural sentences. Part 2 is where many students lose marks because they panic. Remember, the examiner is not testing memory. They are testing speaking ability. Use the story structure method. Introduction, what the topic is. Description, add details. Personal feeling, why it matters. An example topic would be, describe a person who helped you. Band 7 structure would sound like, first introduce the person, then explain how they helped you, finally explain how you felt and what you learned. This structure helps you speak for 2 minutes easily without stopping. Remember to use the 1-minute preparation wisely. Part 3 requires opinions and deeper discussion. The biggest Band 6 mistake is giving simple answers. Remember to extend your answers for a Band 7. For example, is technology improving communication? Band 6 answer, yes, it is helpful. Band 7 answer, yes, I believe technology is improving communication because people can now connect instantly across the world. However, it can also reduce face-to-face interaction, which sometimes affects real relationships. Notice, opinion, reason, balanced idea. That is Band 7 thinking. Final examiner. Tip, do not try to speak perfect English. Try to speak clear, confident, natural English. Small grammar mistakes do not reduce your score significantly, but hesitation and very short answers do. Speak a little longer. Add simple explanations. Use examples from your life. That is how students quickly move from Band 6 to Band 7. If you want more IELTS speaking strategies, subscribe to IELTS Education and watch the next video where I show 50 high-scoring IELTS speaking phrases you can start using today.